Little me back from quarantine. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is my channel. You're welcome and hello. I look like a fat fucking heifer. Just kidding. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Cameron. Hello, that's my name. So today's video is gonna be an eyebrow tutorial, I guess, because I need to pluck these sons of guns. So I'm gonna pluck one of them, show you how I pluck them, and then show you how I do them. So first, I normally pluck them when I'm at the bathroom, you know, using the toilet. But it's been like a week since I plucked them, so I just sort of use like little tweezers like these, and then I'll use like the little brush like this just to comb them. And then if I really want to get funky and crazy, I'll use this like to try to do some sort of thing. But usually if I use this, I end up cutting like a chunk of my hair off, so I don't really use that much. And yeah, so those are the tools you need. And if you want, you can get like some like scissors. These are lash scissors, but you can get scissors if you want, if your hairs are getting too long and you just snip them away. But I normally just use these two. I did shave my face and I was like, let's try it. So I got the shaver and I just went right over. So all of my hairs are kind of like the same length right now. They're shaven. Normally I have long hairs in here, but today we don't have them. So they look a little bit sparse. So this is normally the eye I start with because I don't know, I can see better out of it. And then I use my little tiny mirror like this, and I go in there and I go like this. And I just start to pluck, just like this. And I just try to get as many hairs as I possibly can. Because my hairs grow really dark. I'll do a little zoom in so you guys can see. They don't go in any particular order. Maybe these aren't the good ones. I have two pairs of these. You can get these at like Sally's. If I find them on like Sally, like their website, I'll show you, but I love them. They're like this. They're really strong for me, at least in my long hairs. So I just sort of just pluck them. And if I really want to get wild, I'll pluck my facial hair. But that's if like I have lots of time and I'm bored. Some people might call that crazy. Okay. So you get the gist. I'm gonna go ahead and finish plucking these eyebrows off camera and we'll be right back. Okay, so both eyebrows are plucked. Like you can see. Oh, there's like maybe like a couple of hairs that did not want to get plucked, but it is what it is. So the products that I use are, normally I use like this, either this, where did the other one go? Oh, here it is. I usually use both of these dip brows. This one's from Elf, and this one is Espresso, and then this is just the dip brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Ebony. Or I'll use like a brow pencil like this. This is a L'Oreal brow definer, and this is dark brunette. And then I also have two brow whizzes from Anastasia, and I have dark brown and medium brown. I'll do a swatch for you. So this is gonna be, that's dark brown right there. And then medium brown. They almost look the same to me. These are kind of old. This one is medium brown. They're the same. Here, I do this. They're the same. And then this is the L'Oreal one. Oh, I just broke it. And then this is the L'Oreal one. So that one's a little bit darker. And the brow pomade looks like that. And then this brow pomade looks like that. They're basically the same. And then what I've been using lately is this Elf clear brow gel, and I'll just sort of just put this on my brows before I do anything. I don't know why, but I just was like, let's try it out. So I've just been getting this and just putting it all over my eyebrows. And then I sort of let it dry. And then I use a number of pencils. There's just so many pencils that basically I use whatever is clean. I use any of these. Usually I'll use like this one because it's kind of bigger, but then recently I used this one, so I don't know. And then they all have a spoolie except for 2 of them. There literally is just endless amount. There's like this one, there's this one, so it's just whatever one that I find to be clean. I could even use this little tiny one, but I normally just grab an angled one and get to going. So like for today, I've never used this one. I've never used this Jeffree Star Morphe one, so I'll use this one, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And what I have seen is that people want you to take like a glob like that and to like put it on your hand so that the product doesn't get dried out, because I guess this product gets dried out really quickly. Oh man, this is only good for 6 months? Yikes. I have had it way longer than 6 months, and so I'll just, kind of hard to do this, but I'll just sort of try to get it flat on the brush. And then what I've been doing lately is I just literally just flick up just slightly. If I don't like it, I'll just rub it off and then just keep on flicking. And then just take this, the other end of the spoolie, and just do that. And there's one brow. I'll even do one with a pencil. So I'm just gonna take the L'Oreal, the one that's in dark brown. And I'll also use the spoolie on this end. This one's dirty. So I'll just use this just slightly. Just basically do the same thing with this. Try to comb it through. This brow's a little bit weird. It doesn't like to connect right there. And basically my brows slightly filled in. Because I already have brow hairs. And then I'll just take this one. I'll just go in with just a little bit of this just to make them look like they're the same. That's my brow tutorial. So just a couple products, and then when it gets like later on during like the makeup application, if I like feel like they need to be, you know, touched up or something, I'll just brush them through. Or if I'm doing like powder and stuff, I'll touch them up and stuff. Then I just sort of wipe this off so that it don't get dark brown everywhere. And then to carve them out, I'll take like a flat brush like this. Any of these ones? I have like 4 of them, I think. Yeah. Oh, 5 of them. I have 5 flat brushes. I'll use this little, what is this, a Morphe M432. And I'll just take, like this is concealer, I'll just take a concealer. And I'll just sort of just line right there. And then I'll just take this, just start tapping it into it. And then just blend it on up. Just like that. And I'll just take this, just I'll just take a little bit and then just sort of just go over the top part. I don't really do that whole ordeal. That's it, and then I'll just take whatever remainder concealer that I have and then just either put it here or just like put some more and then blend it all the way down depending on the eyeshadow look. But do this eye, same thing, just take it there. I don't like to get too close because I might mess it up. And then just slowly. And there you have it, this is, I feel like it's a quick and easy little, by the way, this concealer is just NARS, it's upside down, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium 1.75 Tiramisu. And yeah, that's it. Of course, you like blend this down, get rid of the butthole eyes. And that's the video. So if you guys like this, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. I feel like my eyebrows don't really like to be the same. Especially like this part. This is my ugly eyebrow, this is my better eyebrow. Because this one, the hair decides it wants to grow like, this hair grows like down. So it sucks. But there you have it. For whoever asked for it. I know that there's like one person who asked me to do my eyebrow video, so here it is for you. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!